If you've ever needed to match a specific brand color or prepare artwork for print, knowing how to find a Pantone color in Photoshop is a super useful skill. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so you can quickly locate the right Pantone number, choose the correct color book, and understand what to do if your version of Photoshop doesn't show the Pantone libraries natively. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and make sure you're working on a document. On the left side of the screen, look for your toolbar. Near the bottom of that toolbar, you'll see your foreground color square. This is the top colored square in the pair of overlapping color boxes. Click directly on that square to open the standard color picker window. Once the color picker appears, take a look to the right side of the color spectrum and slider area. You should see a button labeled Color Libraries. This is the option that gives you access to additional color systems, including Pantone libraries. Click Color Libraries to open the Library Selection window. Now you'll see a new panel where you can choose the color book you want to use. At the top, locate the Book drop-down menu. Click the drop-down to view the available color standards. This is where you choose the Pantone library that matches the type of print project you're working on. If you're printing on glossy or coated paper, select Pantone plus solid coated. If you're printing on matite or uncoated paper, choose Pantone plus solid uncoated. Picking the right book matters because the same Pantone number can look slightly different depending on the surface and finish. So always choose the version that matches your final print material. Now for the fastest part. Instead of scrolling through hundreds or thousands of swatches manually, you can search by typing the Pantone number directly. With the Color Libraries window open, just start typing the digits of your Pantone code on your keyboard. For example, if you want Pantone 185C, simply type 185. Photoshop will instantly jump to that exact color in the library and snap the selection to the correct swatch. This is a huge time saver, especially when you already know the Pantone number you need. Once you see the correct swatch highlighted, click OK to apply it and lock it in as your active foreground color. From there, you can use that color in your design, shapes, text, brush work, or anything else you're creating in Photoshop. Now, here's something important to know. In newer versions of Adobe Photoshop, you may notice that some standard Pantone books are missing or that Photoshop asks for a paid Pantone Connect subscription. That can be frustrating if you're just trying to quickly reference a color for a client or print project. If the Pantone books don't appear in your dropdown, the common workaround is to look up the equivalent hex or RGB value of your desired Pantone color using a free online Pantone finder. Then you can paste that code into the normal Photoshop color picker. It won't be a direct Pantone library match, but it can still help you get very close visually when the native Pantone option isn't available. So to recap, open the color picker, click Color Libraries, choose the correct Pantone book, type in your Pantone number, and click OK. That's the fastest way to find a Pantone color in Photoshop. And if your version doesn't include the full Pantone libraries, use an online Pantone finder to get the closest hex or RGB equivalent. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.